deze methode de volgende 7
Okay, we're going to do the final round. Within the final round, and I'm going to give you some additional instructions. You will go back so clockwise you'll go back to the original station. Briefly take some time, I would say celebrate the return to your original station. It's a joyful moment. As a station owner, briefly explain the changes that have been made in the other rounds. And as a team that has been walking around, take your station owner to the various stations and just give sort of a 1-minute explanation. So this round is going to be 5 minutes in total. So the station owner explains what has been changed at the station, and the people that have been walking around, just take your station owner with you and explain briefly what the topics are and sort of like what has been discussed at the stations. Within 5 minutes. Oh, that's a bit challenging. Clear? Go ahead. Enjoy.
So Barry, what's happening right now?
Yeah, so what we've done is we've done an exercise in which all the teams defined the key characteristics of a successful development team. After that, we invited them to set up some stations. So we've got 4 stations. That's the station by which they've defined a strategy on how to ensure the development team continues to improve themselves. Over there, what is the strategy to make sure the team really lives the Scrum values, and some 2 other topics as well. And currently they are sharing these strategies with each other in a way that they can really use it next week in their role as a Scrum Master. That's basically what's going on.
Cool. And why is this such a cool class? What do you think? The PS2-class.
Well, on one hand, because so far we didn't really share our experience on what might be good practices. They really came up with it themselves. So these are really their solutions, and sort of we just created an environment in which they share all their wisdom. And afterwards, of course, we give sort of like our opinion as well. First, let's see what all the wisdom. First, let's explore all the wisdom that's already there, already present. Cool. That's pretty cool.
Can you film me for a second and then I can add something?
Sure.
So this is going to be very ad hoc, but one other reason, and that's one thing that we really like, is that we do this class all over the world. So one thing that we notice is that we also bring the various cultural differences in. So how do people in Denmark deal with things? How do people in the United States deal with it? And it's all focused on sharing experiences, which this class is really good at. And I think you can see the participants are having a lot of fun. And the whole class is like this. It's interactive, it's high energy. So we really like it. And we hope you want to join it at some point as well. Bye.